Hi everybody, Brian here from TouringPlans.com. I am, as you can tell, in beautiful Diagon Alley here at Universal Studios. There now you can see that beautiful blue sky. It is still right at the end of early entry here, so I'm going to take this opportunity to walk you through one of the amazing shops that they have here, Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. This was of course started by Fred and George Weasley using Harry's winnings from the Tri-Wizard tournament that he gave to them to get premises to sell all of their tricks and goodies. And you can buy a lot of this stuff. It doesn't really do what they do in the movies, but you did see this facade in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1. Let's start by looking at the windows. I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see what I am looking at, and I'll just talk to you from there. See the windows. This is the ad for You Know Pooh. So just some of the Weasley boxes right there. And the edible dark mark sign. The best ingesting Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. An ad for the puking pastilles right there. The extendable ears, sniping snack boxes. You know all of these. So let's take a walk inside and look around. This shop is tight quarters. I'm hoping that it's not too busy yet this morning, but we'll see. No, this actually isn't too bad. So you will recognize a lot of this stuff. Not the bubble blowing boy, but the decoy detonator. This is what Harry used when he was infiltrating the Ministry of Magic in the last movie, in the last book. The nose-biting teacup, which I believe was something that Arthur Weasley had to go rescue a Muggle from. Fainting Fancies, part of the Skiving snack boxes used, as were things like Fever Fudge, Nosebleed Nougat. Now, all of this stuff, like the Fever Fudge, that is $7 for the individual things. What you can hopefully hear cooing, are the miniature puffskins that they were breeding to sell. Ginny had one in the books. It is $18.95 for the big one. These little keychain ones are $10.95 for these little guys. The larger things, like down here, we've got an extendable ear that says you actually place your earphone in and listen, and it will extend up to 12 feet. So I guess these kind of work for $22.95. Interesting. You can just buy a t-shirt. I like this t-shirt, the Weasley Wizard Wheezes. It is a $35 t-shirt. It's probably not that cool. You can buy these signs here. Jumping stakes there, of course, is the You Know Pooh, which I believe is just candies and doesn't actually cause constipation, but you never know, I guess. $6.95 for that as well. A lot of the candy stuff seems to be $6.95. Creepy crawling spiders. Some of this stuff just, isn't really from here. Is the full sniving snack box that contains Fainting Fancies, Fever Fudge, Nosebleed Nougat, and Puking Pastilles for $39.95, which, if I'm doing the math correctly, is more expensive than buying them individually, but I didn't look at the prices for each individual candy. So here's some more of the Puffskin merchandise. They have shirts. You can hear those things cooing everywhere. They do have these awesome stairs in here that you cannot go up. Above it is this little guy that just goes back and forth over your head. Or a woman, I suppose. Sorry, ma'am. And then if you look... And then looking straight up, you can see the fireworks from the Weasley's Whiz Bang. Let's see. And then we've made a full loop and we're pretty much on the way out. Have some jester hats randomly. The t-shirt in women's. And that's pretty much it. And that's Weasleys Wizard Wheezes. I hope you liked the quick tour. Plan on doing more of these at the specific shops because they all sell pretty much different things here, which is great. And thank you very much for watching, and be excellent to each other.